Stopping and starting the engine. What does that mean to the engine oil in the crankcase? Well, we're going to find out next.
This video is sponsored by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper. Visit us online for more information.
You're probably starting to see some stop-start systems come to your shop. Some of these vehicles, well, they rolled out in 2014 and even some in 2013. These systems shut down the engine at lights. Some customers may not like it, but they're getting used to it. So what does this mean to the engine oil? Well, simply put, the manufacturers of the engines are upping their oil specifications. This is because you're doing a lot more starting of the vehicle. That oil needs to stick to the bearings, camshafts, and connecting rods so there's no damage during all of these starts. The oil specifications, well, GM rolled out GM Dexos 1 Gen 2. Also on the market right now is GF5 SN Plus. And later on this year, you're going to see an oil specification known as GF6. These oils are built around these stop-start vehicles so that when they stop and start, they do not cause damage to their bearings. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.